Dear Elina, thank you very much for a wonderful course training, and I am very glad that I could meet you. Thank you, and I like you very much.
Hi Elina, I just wanted to say thank you for all that you have taught us, and to say that I'm extremely grateful that you were the one to guide me in my journey in Montessori, and then I'm really happy to give back to the world all the things that you have taught us. So thank you for everything.
Elina, thank you so much for this year and guiding us on this journey. It's truly been incredible, and I know that I'll take everything that I've learned this year and use it the rest of my life.
Hello, Elina.
Hello.
Thank you for everything you did for us.
We enjoyed and we appreciated the professionalism that you deliver, that you bring with you, the way you have everything in your head, that you don't read from the paper, that you manage to always get into the slot that is on the timetable, and yeah, you brought order into our life.
And it's a little bit sad we are on the end.
Yeah, very.
But you can't tell because we're smiling.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye.
Dear Elina, thank you so much for everything. This was a big change for me. It was transformation for me, and it changed my life, not only in professional way but also in personal way. And I'm glad that I was here. Thank you so much, and you will stay with me in my mind and in my heart too. Goodbye.
Dear Elina, thank you very much for all. You're the best teacher